Today I'm introducing a new member of the channel. It's a 1997 Honda CR-V. Picked it up pretty cheap. It needs a head gasket. It's got 381,000 miles on it, so I'm going to go ahead and fix it and then make a project out of it. If you're interested in customizing a CR-V, you might consider subscribing to the channel. I'll be putting a lot of content out on this. I plan to lower it, get the windows tinted, paint correction, taking care of the headlights. They're in pretty rough shape. I'm either going to put new ones in it or refurbish these, I'm not sure yet. But my main goal is going to be focused around the audio system. So if that is something that interests you, consider subscribing, turn on notifications. This will be a budget build. So all the components that you see going into it are not going to be high-end, high dollar. It's just a project, something that's going to sit in the garage, take it to a couple audio shows. So I'm going to go ahead and start filming for the head gasket video.